Premium IELTS Mastery Course, IELTS Speaking. Recently asked January to April 2025 new speaking topic. IELTS Speaking Part 2. Today's cue card is describe a job that one of your grandparents did. You should say what was the job about? Was this only the one job she or he did? How you felt about it? First, we'll see ideas and vocabulary you can use for this cue card. You could talk about the job. It could be farming, teaching, shopkeeping, government work, etc. Duties, daily tasks, or responsibilities involved. Other rules, did this stick to one job or try different ones? Your feelings, pride, admiration, or inspiration from their work ethic. Vocabulary, Band 9, level but easy to understand that you can use. Hardworking, dedicated, and industrious. Breadwinner, the person who earns the main income for a family. That's called breadwinner. Down to earth, practical, and humble. Old school values, traditional, and time-tested principles. A role model, somebody you look up to. Look up to, that means you respect. Idiomatic phrases, burned the midnight oil, worked late into the night, wore many hats, took on different roles or responsibilities. The backbone of the family, somebody who supports the family strongly, set the bar high, created high standards for others, pulled out all the stops, gave it their best effort. Now let's see the model answer. When I think of hard work and dedication, my grandfather immediately comes to mind. He was a farmer, and honestly, he was the backbone of our family. Farming wasn't just a job for him, it was his way of life. He would wake up before sunrise and head out to the fields, tending to crops and taking care of the livestock. It was tough work, especially during the scorching summers, but he never complained. Vocabulary, the backbone of family, somebody who supports the family strongly. Scorching summers, a season that is very hot and warm. He believed in the value of honest labor and always said, the land gives back what you give it. His dedication to his work always left me amazed. But farming wasn't the only thing he did. My grandfather wore many hats. He also worked as a part-time carpenter to earn extra income during the off-season. He'd make beautiful wooden furniture, and some of his creations are still in our house today. He was truly a jack of all trades, and his skills never failed to impress me. Wore many hats, shows he handled multiple responsibilities. Jack of all trades describes his diverse skills. What I admire most is his incredible work ethic. He pulled out all the stops to provide for the family and ensure we had everything we needed. Even though life wasn't easy back then, he always carried himself with pride and never gave up. He taught me that perseverance and hard work always pay off. To me, my grandfather is more than just a farmer. He's a role model. His down-to-earth nature and commitment to his family have set the bar high for all of us. Pulled out all the stops, emphasizes his dedication and effort. Set the bar high reflects his high standards and achievements. If you want more sample answers like this, you can join our Premium IELTS Mastery course. Download application Arun IELTS classes from the Play Store and you can join our Premium IELTS Mastery course. In this course, you'll get 600 plus sample answers like this. And once you see here, so here's the content, right? So Arun Speaking Library 7+. Here you see Arun Speaking 2025. Here you'll get all the latest cue cards and you'll get the PDFs and videos, and you'll also get material for reading, writing, right? You'll also get for September to December 2024 latest, right? Recently asked part 1. Here you see part 1, right? Let me open it. You can see like these type of PDFs, right? Like, what do you often talk about with your new friends? So this is how like you can answer. Well, when I meet new people, we usually talk about our hobbies and interests. It's a great way to break the ice, right? And you'll also get material for IELTS writing, right? For general and academic both. Here you'll also get Band 9 IELTS reading course. There you'll get tricks and tips on how you can achieve Band 9 in IELTS reading. You'll also get Band 9 IELTS listening and vocabulary for IELTS. So this is our course, that is Premium IELTS Mastery course. And if you join today, you can also get a special discount. You can let me know in the comment section below if you want to join Premium IELTS Mastery course. It's a pre-recorded course. Absolutely, many students have achieved their desired band score. Thinking about his life inspires me to work harder and value the simple yet meaningful things in life. Honestly, if I can achieve even half of what he did, I'd consider myself lucky. To get a free PDF of this video, join Telegram channel Arun IELTS Classes. There you can get free PDF of this video lesson, and you'll get a lot of material related to IELTS, especially for Band 9. And you can also join Premium IELTS Mastery course. Download application Arun IELTS Classes. If you have Android phone, if you have iPhone, download Class Plus application. Enter ORG code JZKOVW. For more information regarding IELTS courses, you can also text me on my WhatsApp, which is on the screen. Thank you so much for watching this video and listening to Arun Vashist.